5 tips to sound more confident on the phone. Number 1. Tell, don't ask. When you're talking on the phone, you should know what you're going to say and state it authoritatively. Doing so will help you accomplish two important things: sentence structure. When you can, make your questions into statements. Instead of asking, "So what do you want to do about this situation?" try stating that, "So I am wondering what you want to do about this situation." It's a small change, but it makes you sound a lot more confident and commanding. Intonation. Many people have a habit of using a rising intonation at the end of many of their sentences, also known as upspeak. It's perfectly fine for questions, but it should never be used for statements if you are trying to sound confident. Upspeaking during statements can make your tone sound more inviting and less formal, which might be a useful tool during friendly exchanges. It also discourages interruption and seeks reassurance. In business, though, it is definitely a no-no. Number 2. Be prepared. Don't use filler phrases. Using oh, you know, well, and other filler phrases kill your credibility. Whether your listener is aware of it or not, they will think of you as nervous and ineloquent. Going over what you're going to say over and over again will drill it into your mind, so you won't have to trip over your words with filler. Speak with authority. Make your audience believe you are an expert in everything you talk about. Be prepared with statistics and anecdotal evidence that back up each of your points. If you always have something else to say on deck, you'll never feel unconfident. Number 3. Smile. Studies show that people can hear a speaker's expression in their voice. If you are smiling while you say a phrase, for example, it will sound distinctly different than if you say the same phrase through a frown. This is true even if you are trying to use the same intonation, and people respond much better to a speaker who is smiling. They feel a happy orator is more confident and trustworthy. The point is, you should try to smile while speaking on the phone. It will inspire trust and confidence, and it will make you feel better about the message you're delivering to. Number 4. Speak slowly and deeply. People who leave space between their words come off as more confident in the message. Pacing out your words allows your audience time to digest them, and it conveys that you have taken the time to deliberate over each one. People with deeper voices are also seen as more confident sounding. This one is a bit harder to control than slowing down your speech, but try to avoid pitching your voice up into the higher registers. Number 5. Assume proper form. Power pose for maximum confidence, although you might feel a bit silly posing like a superhero during a business call. Good posture will also help with the depth and clarity of your voice. As we noted above, a strong voice is another key to sound more confident. Whether in a social situation or business, confidence is king. It makes everyone gravitate towards you if you get it right, and learning how to exude confidence over the phone is a huge step in that direction. Okay guys, that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and do visit the links given in the description box.